Hello. In order to download Microsoft Office, I want to show you a quick way to do it that Wake County provides for you. As you can see, I'm logged into my Wake ID portal. Now, my portal looks different than yours because I have more applications on my side than you all have on yours, but you should see an option for Microsoft Office 365 or Office 365. If you will click on that, that's going to launch a separate option for you from Microsoft Online. You simply need to log in. Sometimes it may make you log in again, and sometimes it won't. As you can see, I have a lot of files that are available to me in mine because these are things that were either in my OneDrive, which you have as well, or it's just in my email. On the left here, you're going to see PowerPoint, Word, Excel, which will launch and allow you to use different software here. So if you do not want to install anything, you can automatically just open up a file here in order to access it. What you can do is you can click upload and open, and then there's my all about me PowerPoint, and then I can click open and it will launch it straight into this online portal if you don't want to have to install the software, which is a beautiful gift. Now, the second option, which I'm going to go back here, is to install the software yourself, which is a little bit more cumbersome. So what you have to do is come down to the All Apps option, and it will launch here. All apps, and they're all available for you right there. Now, if I want to install these apps, you have that ability as well. And we're going to come up to this. We're going to click Office 365. And we're going to come right here to where it says Install Office. Okay. So I'm going to click Office 365 All Apps, and it's going to give me some instructions. So there it is. It's installing on my computer. It is quite a large file, so I'm actually going to cancel this because I already have it on my computer. But once you finish, it's going to walk you through the downloads. You're going to launch the installer, and then you're just going to need to sign in with your Wake ID in order to access the Microsoft Office suite. So this does give you the option again, but if you do not want to install anything on your computer, you can just use it online through the Microsoft 365 online portal. Okay? Hope everybody has a great day. Thanks.